In this video, you'll learn how to log into your OKX crypto account. By following these simple steps, you will gain access to your wallet, trade options, and various account features. To begin, open the OKX app on your mobile device. If you prefer using a computer, navigate to the OKX website using your browser. Ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth login process. Next, locate the login option. On the website, you will find it at the top right corner of the screen. If you are using the app, the login button is prominently displayed on the home screen. Tap or click on this button to proceed. Once you have selected login, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Input the email address or phone number that you registered with. OK. Afterward, enter your password. If you have enabled any security features, such as a password manager, ensure that you enter the correct information to avoid login issues. After entering your credentials, you may need to complete a CAPTCHA if prompted. This verification step is essential to confirm that you are not a bot. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process, which may involve identifying images or checking a box. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, the next step is to provide the verification code. This code can be obtained from your authenticator app or via SMS or email, depending on your settings. Enter the code in the designated field and proceed to complete the login process. Once you've entered the verification code, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you are now logged in successfully. You will have access to your wallet's trading options and other account features. Ensure that you log out after your session if you are using a shared device to maintain your account's security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.